All right, I'm going to do the warm up. Create a 5x20 dot object array. So I've got this class called dot down here, and you should look it over. It's got two private variables, an x and a y. And when you create a new dot, it calls the constructor. It sets the x and y locations to a random point that's either, it goes from -10 to +10 and includes 0. And then you have these two methods, getX and getY, that return the x and y location. So we're thinking about like a point on an XY plane that's within -10 and +10 for x and y. We're not going to be graphing anything, but that is what this dot thing is. So I'm asking you to make a dot array, dot 2D array. I'm going to call it body equals new dot. I said I wanted it 5x20. All right, and I want you to fill it with dots. So we need to do 2 for loops. Int r equals 0, r less than dotty dot length, r plus plus. For c equals 0, c less than dotty 0. Remember, the columns are found by getting one of the whole rows out and then figuring out how long that row is. And now we're going to say dotty rc equals new dot. That's how you put a dot in each spot. And then I want you to print out the dot that's at 317. So right here, system.out.println, and I want you to make it pretty with like a parentheses around it, like it's a point, x and y. So dotty 317. You have to do get x with parentheses, x plus quote comma space plus dotty 317 get y plus space close paren. Now the point that gets printed is going to be kind of random, right? Every time we run it, it'll be different. This time it was -96. This time it's 54, and so on. I'm just running it to show you, but you only have to run it once to make sure it works. That's the warm up.